feelings about me now.
So what? So you're gonna stay here if I don't and come home if I do?
See? You just keep talking around it.
Chris, I'm a fucking nightmare!
I don't care.
I do, okay? I don't have access to my feelings like you do. So you're right, what you said on the roof the other night. What I do is I go and I get in bar fights.
I know.
Just so I can fucking feel something.
And I still love you.
Are you coming back? Or not?
I can't.
Yes, you can.